I have a Troy Bilt Lawn mower with a B&S 550X engine. It won't start. Had it repaired this spring and in fall it won't start. Have always had Stabil in gas. Want to change fuel filter and would like to know how to do it.
The fuel filter should be an inline filter on the left side of the engine. To change, move the spring clamps away from the filter and twist and pull the filter out of the fuel line. Insert new filter in fuel line and move spring clamp back in place. As for the not starting, I do not think changing the fuel filter will fix the problem. Does the engine turn over? When was the last time you used the mower? What is the model number? Is this a ride-on or walk-behind mower?
There is only a fuel line to the carburetor. Where is the fuel filter located?
Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. Is it a ride-on or walk-behind?
If the fuel filter is not the problem, what is? Engine does turn over, but it does not seem to be getting any gas. It has been about 1 month since I used the mower. Model number, as I have stated before, is 550X. And is a walk behind.
Sorry, I was thinking rider. That is just a engine series number. Model number will be stamped in the metal engine cover or shield over muffler, or if it is a overhead valve engine, in the valve cover. Walk behinds have no replaceable fuel filter, just a molded-in screen in the tank outlet. First guess would be carb needs cleaned again. That is the most common problem. If it worked fine when you used it last and a while later won't start. Do you have any way you can test, see if you have spark at the plug? And does it have a primer bulb?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.